Are you tired of watching others make money online while you feel stuck? Here's some good news. You don't need to invest money to start earning online in 2025. All you need is time, patience, and a consistent effort. In this video, you'll learn about 10 real beginner-friendly methods to earn money online, from anywhere, using just your phone or laptop. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They're practical, proven, and used by people just like you to build side incomes or even full-time businesses. Let's jump into the first one. Freelancing is the most popular and flexible way to earn online. Whether you're good at writing, designing, translating, editing videos, or managing social media, there's a client out there looking for your skill. You can sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or People Per Hour, all for free. Start with small gigs, build up your portfolio, ask for reviews, and grow your rates over time. Many freelancers now earn thousands per month, and they all started from zero. Even if you're not skilled yet, you can learn in-demand skills for free using YouTube or sites like Coursera or Skillshare, with free trials. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You don't need to create products, handle shipping, or deal with customers. Just pick a product you like, such as from Amazon, Daraz, Temu, or ClickBank, and start promoting it. You can use TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and place your affiliate links in your bio using Linktree. This works especially well if you focus on a niche, like gadgets, beauty products, fitness, or even BTS merch, yes. Ever wanted to sell t-shirts, mugs, or posters with your own designs? With print on demand, you don't need to keep inventory or invest any money. Use platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Zazzle. Create your designs using free tools like Canva, upload them, and start selling. When someone places an order, the platform prints and ships it, and you get a cut of the profit. This is perfect if you're creative, or even if you just enjoy putting quotes on t-shirts. Don't want to show your face on YouTube? You don't have to. Faceless YouTube channels are booming in 2025. You can use ChatGPT to write your scripts, InVideo or Canva to edit videos, and AI voice generators to narrate them. Pick a niche, like money tips, facts, motivational stories, or daily routines, and start uploading. These videos can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links once you grow. It's a long-term strategy, but it pays off if you stay consistent. Digital products are powerful because you only make them once and sell them forever. You can sell ebooks, budget planners, study templates, Notion setups, social media content packs. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy allow you to set up a free store and start selling. Design using Canva, write using Google Docs, and start with a simple product you'd want yourself. Do you know English well? Or can you help someone with math, science, or languages? Then try online tutoring. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, Superprof, and even Facebook groups connect tutors with students around the world. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just confident, clear, and patient. Even just teaching conversational English can earn you $10 to $25 per hour from home. Dropshipping lets you sell trending products without holding inventory. But instead of spending on ads, use TikTok organic marketing. Post 1 to 3 videos daily about your product, like reviews, unboxings, or funny skits, and link to your free Ecwid or Shopify store. This takes effort and creativity, but people are going viral and making sales without spending a dollar. Companies around the world hire remote workers for customer service, to answer emails, handle chats, or manage support tickets. Visit We Work Remotely, Remote.co, FlexJobs, or check job boards like Indeed. Search remote support or virtual assistant. These are usually hourly jobs and perfect if you want something stable while working from home. If you enjoy writing, content writing is a great option. Write blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions. Find work on ProBlogger, Container, Freelancer, or even pitch your services directly to blogs and YouTubers. Start with short articles, build a portfolio, and scale up. With good writing, you can easily earn $20 to $100 per article. Finally, why not teach what you know? You can create a mini course on anything: budgeting, journaling, Excel, Canva, affiliate marketing, whatever you know better than someone else. Use Teachable, Udemy, or even Gumroad to sell your course. Record lessons using your phone and a simple mic, or use slides with voiceover if you're camera shy. Market it through your social media or blog, and it can become a steady passive income stream. So those were 10 real ways to make money online in 2025 without investment. Start with the one that excites you most, and remember, don't try to do all of them at once. Focus on one method, learn the basics, and stay consistent. Small steps lead to big success. Comment below and let me know which method you're going to try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching. Now go create your online income.